Good morning, dear students. Today we will solve and learn about the homogeneous type differential equation, and this is the third case of first order and first differential equation. Okay. In this case, first the generalized problems of the homogeneous first order differential equation is this, in which dy upon dx equal to f of y upon x. Always the degree of the numerator equivalent to degree of denominator. Such type case are under the homogeneous equation. Okay. For solving of this type question, first we need to put y equal to vx. Then the differentiation of this is dy upon dx equal to v plus x and dv upon dx. Okay. Sometimes some students are put v like a constant, but this is not a constant because this is a variable. So both are the variable. So the differentiation of this is dy upon dx equal to v plus x and dv upon dx. We can put this value in this question, and then we have the v plus x dv upon dx equal to fv. This is the value of v. And after solving this, we have x dv upon dx equal to fv minus v. We can take it. Now we can use the separation of variable method, and this part we can take this part with dv like this, and this is equal to dx upon x. When we take the integration, the answer is fv. This is the function of fv and log x plus c. Okay. On the base of these steps, this is the first example for finding the result of the function of the differential equation. We can write this differential equation in the form of dy upon dx equal to minus x cube plus 3x square y xy square upon y cube plus 3x square y. dy upon dx equal to, because the dy upon dx equal to v plus x dv upon dx, because this part is homogeneous, the degree of this is 3, the degree of this is 3, the degree of denominator is 3. So first we need to put y equal to vx, and when we put y equal to vx, then dy upon dx convert to v x and dv upon dx. Okay. And this is equal to x cube plus 3x, and at the place of y, the value of y is vx. So v square x square, and in denominator we have v cube x cube plus 3x square and v x. Okay. After solving this is the result, and we can cancel out the x cube to x cube. The resultant value is this when we take the v in right hand side, and after simplifying this value, we have the value of this is x dv upon dx equal to minus v to the power 4 plus 6v square plus 1 upon v into v square plus 3. Okay. And now we can take the separation of variable method. You can take the technique of separation of variable. This is equal to v square plus 3 upon v to the power 4 6v square plus 1, and in right hand side we can write it dx upon x. When we take the integration, then we have the integration of, for finding the integration of this part, we need to put the denominator equal to t, and the derivative of the denominator is 4v cube plus 12v dv equal to dt. We can take 3 is common, then it is equal to v cube plus 3v plus dv into dv equal to dt upon 4. Okay. And the value of this question is minus dt upon 4. At the place of this v cube plus 3v and dv, this is the dt upon 4, and in denominator we have t. In right hand side, this is the log c, log x plus log c. This is equal to log t minus 1 upon 4 and log t. In right hand side, log x plus log c. We can write it log t to the power 1 up minus 1 upon 4, and in right hand side log x plus log c. We can cancel out log to log, then t to the power minus 1 upon 4 equal to xc, and at the place of t, the value of the t is this is the value of t, and the v4 plus 6v square plus 1 to the power minus 1 upon 4 equal to xc, and we know the value of y. The value of y is this. From here the value of y is v, and the value of v is v equal to y upon x. Then the value of v at the place of v, the value of v is y upon x. This is equal to y to the power 4 upon x to the power 4 plus 6y square upon x square plus 1 to the power minus 1 upon 4 plus equal to xc. This is the answer of this question. Second example is dy upon dx equal to y upon x plus 10 y upon x, and we know that for solving this type question, first we need to put y equal to vx, that is v equal to y upon x. So at the place of this we can put v and this v, and at the place of dy upon dx we can put v plus x dv upon dx. Okay, this is the change in this question. V plus x dv upon dx equal to v plus 10x. Okay, after solving this we have x dv upon dx equal to x dv upon dx equal to 10v. Okay, and using the separation of variable dv upon 10v, this is the v, dv upon 10v equal to dx upon x. The answer of this is log sin v. The integration of this part is log sin v, log mod sin v. It is equal to log x plus log c, and the final answer of this question is sin y upon x. The value of v is y upon x, mod of sin y upon x equal to x. Okay, so these are the two questions of homogeneous differential equation. In our next lecture we will learn the problem related to reducing to homogeneous differential equation. Okay, thank you.